Hey there, AscendTMS gang. It's your favorite AscendTMS guru, Cam, coming at you live, well, recorded live, with an AscendTMS release highlight. We're going to cover the past few releases over the last 30 days or so, because we know you're too busy using AscendTMS while sipping 2-for-1 margaritas on the beach to read those pesky release notes that come out. But enough of all that, let's go ahead and get right into these wonderful new features, enhancements, and fixes. First on the agenda, we've added the ability to search for locations in the universal search by address, city, and state. Next up, we have enhanced the load searching feature to show a better date time format for pickup and delivery windows for truck stop, DAT, and 123 load board, as well as enhanced the speed of the stop order optimization through the PTV integration. Oh, and AscendLTL location requirements will now be checked off automatically on the locations and AscendLTL pages based on the location class selected. We've also fixed an issue where certain load data wasn't showing properly on AscendTMS generated documents, as well as improved the importing of invoices and bills into QuickBooks Desktop through the IF file, and squashed a few other pesky gremlins as well. A link of the full release notes will be in the description below if you want to read them, that is. Well, that pretty much sums it up for us here at AscendTMS. We are working diligently around the clock to get you the features you ask us for and make the changes you need to make your day smooth sailing. Make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel to get your release highlights monthly, as well as our other training, how-to, and announcements the day that they happen. If you have any questions or want to schedule some training with our amazing support team members to learn any of these new features or enhancements, feel free to email us at support@inmotionglobal.com.